For part 2 of the most important vectors in physics, we'll be looking at the velocity. Velocity is one of the most commonly used vectors in all of physics. What is a velocity? So recall that a vector is always a magnitude and a direction. In the case of velocity, the magnitude is the speed of the object. So the speed is a number like 10 meters per second is a speed. A velocity would be two pieces of information, a speed, 10 meters per second, along with a direction. I'll just put one in here. Let's just say north. Okay? So a lot of students get speed and velocity confused. Speed is how fast you're going, 10 meters a second. Velocity is a vector, two pieces of information. And those two pieces of information are the speed, 10 meters a second, and a direction. A vector always comes with a direction. I just used north in this case. Okay? And then the last thing I'd like to mention is that the velocity is related to the displacement, the first vector we went over in the previous video. Okay? How are they related? Velocity is defined as the change in, remember if you see a triangle like that, just say change in, the displacement divided by the change in time. So students have a tendency to overcomplicate things. This is the most simple statement you could possibly say. All it says is that if your displacement is changing, i.e. moving, then you have a velocity. Velocity is change in position over change in time.